me you're taking pictures.
What's it to you?
Just concerned.
Why do you guys want to know? What are you concerned about? What are you concerned about?
I don't know what I need to be concerned about. That's why I'm asking you what you're doing.
So you don't have a concern right now?
I'm concerned that you're taking pictures and you're telling people you're going to cut their throats.
Cut their throats?
Yeah.
If I haven't, I would talk to anybody. So how am I going to?
You didn't talk. You gave an emotion like that you were going to cut somebody's throat.
Wow. Get back to work, dude.
Communications.
With Marburg Industries, and we just had a complaint from one of our people that's in our scale house that's on Quarantina. That's got an individual that's kind of loitering outside, taking photos and a bunch of video, and when he approached him, he gave him the, like, I'm going to cut your neck off sign, and he's just concerned.
Okay, and is that the 23119 or 136 North Quarantina location?
We're at the CNG yard. Let me get the right address here for you. What's the address here? 30 South Quarantina.
Okay.
And he's still right outside. He's just standing in the driveway taking pictures of everything and everybody, but he won't talk to me, won't tell me his name, won't give me any information.
Okay, and what does he look like? White, black, Hispanic, Asian?
Hispanic, Levi's. I would say he's probably upper 20s.
And about how tall is he?
About how what, tall?
Yes.
He's probably 5'10", maybe 200 pounds.
Thin, medium, heavy?
He's a little heavier.
Okay. What color shirt?
It's a black jacket. He's got on long sleeve black jacket.
Okay, and jeans?
Yeah.
Okay. And what's your phone number?
He's given me the sign now too.
Okay. And what's your phone number?
805. Hang on just a second. I can never remember my cell number.
Okay. Alrighty. Well, as soon as an officer is available, send him over.
All right. Thank you.
Mm-hmm. You're welcome.
Bye.
So when we were leaving, I explained to him, like, okay, hey, you can't be doing this. You're using it, you extended it, or I saw a video where you're looking into the little window. You see that, the Conex box?
The small one?
Yeah. So he's like, oh, you mean I can't do this? And so he did it again, and that's why I started all over.
Hey, sir.
Oh, I remember you.
We talked at the mission, right?
Yeah.
That's right. How you doing, man?
Doing good, man.
So he's just...
They're upset because I went like this.
Recording it like inside now. He hasn't done it again. Just to the window.
Sorry, what?
He hasn't done it again. Just to the window.
Nothing over 6 feet and nothing under 2 feet.
Against the law.
That's still not reading but I mean, I don't think it is. I don't know why he's scrappily wanted it.
Or did anything change since we last talked to him?
He only did it. He did it again. He did it to the window, I think. And that's when he called you. And since then, since you've been in route, he hasn't done it just to the window. He's done it to the property where it's open and you can clearly see.
Is that small little window with the bars?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you need to do?
I don't know if Shelly has it further, but I don't.
Okay. Okay.
I thought we were just going to leave. But
okay. Let me talk to brother.
Yeah.
Brad, you got a second? So she conveyed to me had a phone conversation with Salma beforehand. Was there more to it?
To the looking, well, as soon as you guys
What do you
finished the
need?
conversation, we
Yeah.
explained it to me, walked over and raced right up into the window again.
Okay.
I'm gonna do this all day.
Yeah.
So now I couldn't tell if the lens was right on the window or if he's, viewing this obviously open area.
Yeah.
But they're trying to get a rise.
I know.
Right. They're streaming it right now. I was just hoping that, if this does continue and we get a video of him looking in the window again and we end up, going that route, that at least we've had you convey that to them in the face.
Yeah. No, I
Is
mean,
that worth it?
Yeah, I can talk to him. Does the victim want to talk to me, or does the observer want to talk to me?
Well, we were hoping you would talk to him, but
The observer?
Huh?
The observer?
The phone guy.
Got it.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
He's a black or he's a Hispanic guy.
Okay. All right. That was it. Are they together or no?
Yeah, Green Guy showed up like randomly, so I don't know if
Okay.
he's a fan. I have no
I
idea.
thought he was with the Marburg or something.
No.
All right, boss.